This is the Spotlight segment. Stay tuned for premium interviews, device unboxing and more.
Hi, Warren Carr here for Blind Android Users Podcast, and today I'll be unboxing the Pixel 2 watch. I've already taken it out of the box, that is out of the shipping box, and now I just have the box in my hand. And I'm going to try to pull it out of the little box here. And when you got it, it's different from last year's box. There we go. So on the side, the narrow sides, there's a little thing like a glue there. You need to put your finger in and pry it through, and then you can pull that box out. And now, all you have to do is just flip the top. It's not like the one from last year that you have to pull that top off. So it opens up like half and half. Now, there's a watch in there. You can feel it. Take it. It already has the band on it. And then there are two things to the side, the two little boxes. This one has like a charging cord in there. Yep, there we go. There's a charger there. And the other side has another band in there. All right. Now, let me pull out the charger here. The charger looks more like last year, except that this one has pogo pins. They are like 1, 2, 3, 4 pins. So you cannot use last year charging cord to charge this watch. That's what's in the box. And I'm going to take a little paper off from the watch so we can, it's wrapped in a paper. There we go. I took that off. I will now turn it on. And I do believe that with every watch running Wear OS 3.x, all that needs to happen is to triple tap that home key. So the description here is exactly like last year, except that the crown is a little bit bigger, a little bit more extended than what we have last year. I got the LTE model, just like the one I got last year, and they feel exactly the same, except that the crown on this one's a little bit longer. Now I'm going to turn it on, and that home key is found to the left of the crown. And then to the right of the crown is a little something that feels like a microphone hole, just like what we had last year, but this one's more palpable. I'll now hold down the power. And it did not vibrate, so I think when it gets to the setup screen, it will make a chime. And then when it chimes, then we can now triple tap that home key to activate accessibility. Therefore, I am waiting, and so the key is to wait until you hear that chime, because if you don't and start doing things, you may wind up messing it up or selecting some language that doesn't belong to your region or whatever, and you are tossed. So I'm waiting for it to come up, and once I hear that chime, then I'll then go ahead and triple tap on that home key and get started. I am still waiting. And remember, the key is that chime. And I'm still waiting for that chime. It takes a little while to get there, but I felt some vibration. There goes the chime. Okay, so now I will triple tap on that home key and see what happens. I felt some vibration and I heard some talkback sound, so you need to wait, and I'll keep waiting until I hear talkback talking.
When talkback is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right moves to the next item. Swiping left moves to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button.
As you can hear, the sound sounds a little bit different. In other words, the TTS a little bit different from last year, more like eSpeak or something to that effect. Now, I'm just going to find the close tutorial, which should be at the bottom right, I believe.
Screen on. When talkback. Close button.
There's the
Double
close
tap to
button.
activate. You can come back to it anytime in talkback settings.
And I'm going to find that close again at the bottom.
Stay in tutorial.
There's
button.
stay in tutorial
Double
on the
tap to
left
activate.
and to the right,
Close
close button.
Double tap to activate. Permission request. Allow Android Accessibility Suite to make and manage phone calls.
And I'm going to find and tap on the allow.
Allow Android Accessibility Suite to make and manage. Allow button.
There's that
Double
allow
tap
there
to
at the
activate.
bottom left.
Setup. Choose watch language button.
And
Double
now
tap to
we're on the
activate.
language selector. It says choose language. And I'm just going to tap.
Choose your language. English United States button.
We hear
Double tap
English
to
United
activate.
States. I'm going to tap here to choose that.
Setup. On your phone, download and open.
So on my phone, download and open. I'll put my finger down.
Google Pixel Watch.
So on your phone, you need to run the Google Pixel Watch. So I'm going to grab my phone, and I haven't charged my phone, but we'll try it. I haven't charged my phone since I got it on Thursday. I charged it to 90% on Thursday evening, and this is Saturday afternoon here
4:35 p.m.
at
Device locked.
4:35,
Unlocked.
and that's my
Device
Pixel 8
unlocked.
Pro.
Home. Battery 26%.
And the battery's down to 26%. I hope it'll get us through. Open Pixel Watch.
Watch. Set up your new watch. Heading.
And at the bottom,
Continue. Button.
we have the continue button
Terms of service. Decline. Button.
and all that agreement stuff. And at the bottom right, of course, is going to be the accept. I'll tap on that.
More. Button.
There's some more. I'm just going to scroll up.
I agree. Button.
I agree.
Watch. Connect your watch. Heading. Companion device manager. Choose a watch to be managed by Google Pixel Watch.
And now it's looking for devices. I put my finger in the middle. Usually that's where it's found.
This Google Pixel Watch 22JJF.
There we go. Tap there.
Watch. Starting pairing. Heading. Watch on top. Pair with Google Pixel Watch 22JJF. On bottom. Bluetooth pairing code. Pair with Google Pixel Watch 22JJF.
And at this point, you're going to see a code on both the watch and the phone showing that's the right thing you're connecting to.
Allow access to your contacts and call history. Checkbox. Not checked.
I'll check that.
Checked. Pair with Google Pixel Watch 22JJF.
Okay.
Bluetooth pairing code.
And
700,611. Couldn't pair with 24.
well, I waited too long, so it says it couldn't pair.
Because of an incorrect pin or passkey.
So I'm gonna try again.
Retry. Button.
There we go.
Starting pairing. Heading. Watch on top. Pair with Google Pixel Watch 2. Allow access to your contacts and call history. Checkbox. Not checked.
Okay.
Checked.
And
Pair. Button. Watch.
tap on
Connect
that
to your
pair.
watch. Heading.
Pairing success. Image.
There we go. And
Connecting to your
Pairing
watch.
success.
Heading.
there we go. At this point,
Continue on phone.
we'll just keep waiting and continue
Continue
on
on
the
phone.
phone.
Progress bar. In progress.
And I'm still waiting, making sure that everything is done.
This could checking watch for screen lock. Heading. Sign
There
into
we
your
go.
Google account. Heading.
And now it's where you sign into your account. And at the bottom,
Sign in. Button.
there's a sign in.
Account list collapsed. Choose an account. Heading.
And here we choose the account. I'll choose my account.
at gmail.com selected. Google One account. Expand account list. Continue.
And we'll tap continue at the bottom.
Watch. Signing in. Heading. Device setup. Copy to your watch. Heading.
And we're now on a screen that where it's asking us to copy stuff to the watch.
Copy your Google accounts to your watch.
And at the bottom,
Copy button.
I'm going to tap copy.
Touch the fingerprint sensor. Unlock to continue setting up your device.
Okay,
Tap to
I'll touch the
Tap to
fingerprint.
cancel authentication.
There we go. And
This could take about a minute.
it's telling me it could take about a minute, so I need to be patient.
Watch. Signing in. Preparing services and apps. Heading. Additional legal terms and disclosures. Heading.
And all that agreement and all of that, so I'm just going to scroll
Right.
all the way to the bottom.
I accept. Button.
I accept.
Google. Connecting. Heading. Connecting. Heading. Watch. Restoring your watch. Getting account info. Heading. Watch. Learn how to switch bands. Heading.
And it's all about the bands and all of that. I'm just going to go to continue at the bottom.
Next. Button.
Next.
Press the band.
And it's just a tutorial on how to place on the band. I'm just going
Accessibility.
to
Next.
go to
Button.
next. And
Put on your watch. Heading.
put on your watch. I'm not putting on my watch right
Next.
now.
Button.
Next.
Continue. Selected. Left wrist. Left. 1 of 2. In
Yeah,
list.
that's
2
the one
items.
I'll have it on. Next.
Continue. Button.
Continue.
Elevate your well-being with Fitbit. Now a part of Google. Heading. In list. Not now. Button. Out
I'm
of
going to
list.
choose the not now at the bottom left. And we got,
With a cellular plan, your watch can continue to get messages, take calls, and use apps even if it's not connected to your phone.
and definitely I'm going to agree to this because
Setup. Button.
that's what I got it for.
Connect to Fi. Heading.
Hence the reason I didn't get the Wi-Fi model. All right.
Set up and download your eSIM to enable data service on your watch.
Okay. And at the bottom right,
Setup. Button.
setup.
Progress bar. In progress. Activating. Heading.
So it's activating my plan on my watch.
Progress bar. In progress.
And it's in progress. Takes a little while to get that done.
Setup complete. Heading.
And at the bottom right,
Reasons.
Continue. Button.
I tap on
Voice input
continue.
has stopped.
Preparing safety features. Heading. Your Google Pixel Watch comes with safety features. Heading.
And,
Access safety features on your watch even if you don't have your phone.
okay,
Share your real-time location automatically in emergencies.
I'm going to scroll down.
Emergency sharing, fall detection, and safety check require location enabled and are dependent upon network connectivity and other factors and may not be reliable for emergency communications or available in all areas or languages. Fall detection may not detect all falls. See Google Pixel Watch help for more details.
And I'll just scroll to the bottom right and tap on agree.
Continue. Button.
Rather, continue.
Get things done with Google Assistant. Heading.
And now we come to the assistant page. And I'm going to scroll down and tap on agree or whatever I find at the bottom right.
Continue. Button.
Continue.
Google. Just a sec. Heading. Watch. Set a lock for your watch. Heading.
Now we come to the lock screen. So you choose what you want. We got either
Pattern. Draw a pattern to unlock. Radio button. Not checked.
pattern or
Pin. Set a 4-digit pin to unlock. Radio button. Not checked.
I'm going to check that one.
Not checked. Enter a new pin
Set
on
a
your
pin.
watch.
Settings.
And I'm just
Pin
going to
area.
type in 1111 for now.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
All
Confirm
right.
pin.
I'll confirm it.
1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Setting
Nice.
up. Settings. Success.
I will say that this is so responsive.
Phone.
Secure
Set
access
up.
to your everyday essentials.
Continue on
Heading.
phone. Image.
And now I'm going to be back to the phone again. And
Tap to pay everywhere Google Pay is accepted. ride transit, and more, all with just your watch.
So Google Pay, I'm going to skip this part because I haven't set up my card on this Pixel 8. So I'm going to skip.
Skip. Button. App. Google Wallet setup was canceled. Google Pixel Watch. Watch. Setup. Button.
Okay, and
Setup. Button. Not now. Button.
there's a setup at the bottom right and not now to the left. I tapped on not now.
Select apps for your watch. Heading.
And we come across watch app selection. That is the apps that we could choose. And
Setup. Button.
I'll go ahead and tap on setup.
Loading spinner. Progress bar. In progress. Select apps for your watch. Checking for Google Play.
And
We've picked some apps to help you get started, including some apps that are on this phone or on your other devices. You can find more apps on Google Play and install them from your phone or watch.
Okay.
Recommended for watches.
And we got recommended for watches.
Plus 13.
13 of them.
Spotify. Music and podcasts.
And if
1
I
of 7.
tap
and
here,
list,
for
7.
example,
Spotify. Music.
then it takes me, I believe, to where I could check the things I want and not check the things I do not want.
We've picked some apps to help you get started.
Okay.
Recommended for watch. Detected. Image. Spotify. Music and podcasts. Spotify AB. Checkbox. Not checked.
I'm not checking that.
Amazon Music. Songs and podcast. Checkbox. Not checked. Facer Watch Faces. Facer Studios. Checkbox. Not checked.
I'll check that.
Checked. Easy Voice Recorder. Digipalm. 4.2.
That's
Everyone.
coming from my
Contains
phone.
ads. Checkbox. Not checked. Checked. Stowcard. Rewards Cards Wallet. Stowcard. 4.6. Everyone. 5 of 20.
I have no clue, but maybe not now.
Checkbox. Cardiogram. Heart rate monitor. Cardiogram. Inc. 3.4. Everyone. 6 of 20. Checkbox.
Not now.
Not checked. Deezer. Music and podcast player.
I don't want
Deezer.
Deezer.
Checkbox. Not checked. Commute. Hike. Bike and run.
Not
Commute
checking
GMP.
that.
Checkbox. SoundCloud. Play music and
Not
songs.
checking
Sound.
that.
Checkbox. Not checked. Todoist. To-do list and planner. Doist
Not
Inc.
checking that.
Checkbox. Strava. Run.
Not
bike,
checking
hike.
that.
Strava Inc. Checkbox. Nike Run Club. Running coach.
Not checking
Nike.
that.
Checkbox. Adidas Running. Run
Not
tracker.
checking that.
Checkbox. Calm. Sleep. Meditate. Relax.
Not
Calm.
here.
Checkbox. MyFitnessPal. Calorie counter. MyFitnessPal. Inc. 3.6. Everyone.
Not checking that.
Checkbox. Kakao Talk. Messenger. Kakao Corp.
No.
4. Checkbox. C25K 5K running trainer.
Have no clue.
Checkbox. WhatsApp Messenger. WhatsApp LLC. 4.3. Everyone.
I don't
18
do
of 20.
WhatsApp, so I'm not doing that.
Checkbox. Not checked. 7-minute workout. Parrot. Checkbox. Bitmoji for Wear OS. Facer Studios. 3.6. Checkbox. Not checked. Apps will install when your watch is charging and connected to Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Continue. Button.
And continue at the bottom. And if you didn't check these things, you can always go back
Checking
later on in
updating.
the Play Store
Heading.
and get what you want.
System update. Waiting for watch to charge. Waiting for watch to charge.
As you can hear, it's saying it's got some system update and it needs to be charged. So I will go ahead and put this thing on the charger, and then I'll come back with my review sometime next week. And that's been the unboxing of the Pixel 2 watch.